Welcome back to the channel. I'm out by the Lexus, the RX400. I was out driving it yesterday, not working up to a church where I was going for a funeral, and coming back then it started flashing a lot of error message. I'm gonna try to start it up. Supposed to give a ding noise, but here you see, I can change on it. Check hybrid system, and also come up when I was driving for the brake system. Start to flashing all kinds of things, and I can't start the car. Yeah, a typical error when Toyotas and Lexus and many other cars start to flash a lot of different lights that's not supposed to work together at all, is a battery problem. And then I found on the net, if the 12 voltage, this is a hybrid, so if the 12 voltage battery starting to go, then this could come up too. And they said to make it start up again and move it, I could disconnect the battery for a little while and connect it back, and it start working. And I did that, and then I could move the car over where it stands now. But no, I have been out buying a new battery, so we can just go in and check. Here I have taken off, because you see on the top here is a system lying over, and you have clips here and here too that I was taking off before I bought the battery, just to see. And under here also taken off the holder. Now I just have to open here. I was out disconnecting this 10mm bolt yesterday when this happened, to be able to move it. And just disconnecting the battery completely. Yeah. Hopefully this battery is just loose. I'm just putting in a new battery. Very simple. Because I've got a battery that is supposed to be the right size. This battery I have charged up properly now. Yeah. Plus is in the back, minus in the front. There. Just to be able to turn that one in. Yeah, now I'm just hoping that I have luck that this was on the battery. I just have to believe that. At least the battery needs a new battery in it now. If I'm lucky. This is supposed to fix my problem. At least it come up as it's supposed to do. No error message for the moment. So I'm just hoping that that fixes it. But also, if it stops, if I turn off the car and try to turn it on again, the problem come back. So let's see. There. And go back to there. Information. Haven't come back like that. Seems to be running as it should. No information come back. And just go and take away the old battery and things. So just leave this phone on for a little to see if I can get to move it up to the house again. Yeah, it seems like it was working. Trying to defrost the windows because outside now, here it says 4 degrees minus, and that we talk Celsius since it's Norway. It was down to 8 degrees last night. They were saying minus. It's supposed to come up to 0 during the night now again, so it's up and down, up and down. For a moment it seems like it's working. I was seeing yesterday it was charging 14.4 voltage when I test that. So I believe it's charging as it should. So I'm not sure how old the battery. I have to see if I can get some markings on that. Maybe it's the car I've driven 304,000 kilometers. So I have to see. I have to drive it up and park it up by the house here now. But for the moment it seems like everything has started working again. So then when I get up the message I get up, then it was it said the hybrid system, but it also told me that the braking stabilization system was out of order. And that when you start to get up message like going on many different things suddenly coming up right after each other, then it's a big chance that you have some electrical problem, especially out from a battery. Yeah, I hope this video could just help someone to not be scared to run away and using 1000 by 1000 on a repair place. Could be as simple as your battery start to be old. So yeah, thank you and welcome back. And since this video is taken up in the darkest day of the year, 21st of December is the darkest day of the year in Norway. The sun is turning to go against summer again. So now I'm really crossing my fingers that things start to work out here, because we had problems with a lot of things. So looking forward to 2025 and hoping that everything be a little better than last year. So please come back, please put a like on the video, please start following the channel, and please put some comments. Thank you.